A welding program, we teach people who've never been in welding, teach them how to weld, and the goal is to make them professional pipe welders to work on construction jobs. The program has 2 certificates in it, a basic welding certificate and an advanced welding certificate. To complete both certificates, it's approximately 18 months, which is 4 semesters. Daytime program, we take new students in the fall and they go for 4 semesters. We're a hands-on program. We go 35 hours a week, and of that 35 hours, we spend about 3 of that in the classroom. So we spend 32 to 33 hours a week in the shop welding, actually hands-on, practicing welding skills, learning and developing the welding skills. We have a 99% job placement rate. We just renovated, we have 30 welding booths, and we also have expanded to where we have more grinding and cutting area, plus we have what we call the playground or the job simulation area, which is behind me. We have some guys working on that, and that is what it's like in the real world. Some of the things we do in the program to make the people a little more employable other than just welding is we teach some of the soft skills. We make sure they understand that attendance is very important. We have a very strong attendance policy to where if you don't show up for class, eventually you will fail out of the class because you have to have the hands-on and the time in. All the classes for welding are taught in this shop. There are no academic classes, but there's a math involved. The school's resource has been very helpful to get our students up to standards as far as the reading skills and math skills so they can be successful in the academic coursework and the book work we have in the welding program.